See, today we are going to see the lesson from your textbook, that is value of time. Means what is the meaning of value of time? Value of time means we have to utilize our time in the correct manner. You have to make everyday activities timetable. Suppose if you are not making the correct timetable of your activities, means morning getting up, then brush your teeth, bath, then going to school, then having breakfast, then your timetable of your studies, how you are going to study, which subject you are going to study, so that if there is no timetable, you will not utilize your time very correctly, then what will happen? Your any work will not become in time. Means suppose you waste time, suppose you are having any exam and you will not do your studies, you will say that I can do it afterwards. But it is correct? No, because you will waste your time and afterwards you will be confused and you will not get good marks in your exam. Same way in any work, whenever you are going to do, you should make a timetable of that. You should utilize the time very properly so that your work will be neat, clean and it will be complete in the time. So in this lesson you will see the value of time means the time is so important. Time, how to use the time, it is very important for us. That is, we should learn in this lesson. There are characters. Mala, one girl is there. Her name is Mala. And one day when she was playing in the garden, her mama came to her to call her because it was a Saturday and it was a Sunday and her all friends were playing with her in the garden, but when it was late, they went back to their home. But Mala was not ready to go home. She was playing in the garden. Her mama came to see her and asked her, why you are not coming home? Because now it is too late. But Mala, she don't want to go home. She want to play full day. Then mama was angry and scolded her and told her that yesterday also you were playing whole day, today also you are going to play. When you are going to complete your homework, your all assignments, then your this poem. But Mala was saying that I am having much more time to do, so I am not going to go home. But her mother was angry and she went back home. After that, next day when she was going to go to school, that time she remembered that she has not learned the poems for the competition and even she has not done her homework. So what happened? Then she was scared. Now if she go to school, teacher will ask her why your homework is incomplete. So she went to the garden, and she was sitting on the bench. Then she kept her bag on the bench and she was sitting relaxed that she decided today she should not go to the school because all her work was incomplete. Then after that, when she was sitting on the bench, she saw some ants. You all know that ant. See here. See, this is the ant. You all know that ants. They are in the black color or even red color ant. And you might have seen that ant. They always go in line. They always march in one line. Whenever they want to collect any food, if you see sometimes at your home, if there is sugar fallen there at your home or some sweet thing, the ants, they come there and they one piece of sugar they take and they will be going always in line. So this ants she saw in the garden. They all were busy in doing the work. So she went to that ant and she said that come, let us play. But that one of the ant, she said, now we are not having time to play with you. Then she said, why so? Because I am there to play with you. Even you all can play. But they said, no, we have to collect the food for winter. So when there is a winter season, for that we collect much more of food to us all. And so at our homes, so we can't play with you now because we have no time. Then that Mala, she thought, so foolish this ants are, they are not ready to play. Now winter is so far and from now, why they are collecting food from now itself? So then again she went and she was sitting there and she saw some squirrels. Squirrels, see this? You all know squirrel, you might have seen on the trees how they jump from or they climb trees very fast. And you all know that the squirrels, they like nuts to eat. So what happened when she went to the squirrel and she said to the squirrels, come now, let us play. I am having time and you all can come and play with me. Then what happened? The squirrels, they said, no, we have no time to play with you because we have to collect the food for winter. Even we have no time. Again she thought, why the squirrels are working from now itself, because the winter is so far, and why they are collecting food from now. So even squirrels said that we don't have any time to play with you. Then Mala, what happened? Again she was angry with this ants and squirrel. She thought, why nobody is playing with us? And today is so nice, bright day, sunny day. Then she saw some honeybees. See, you can see this honeybee. You all know that honeybee, they collect honey from the flowers. They collect honey from the flowers and they collect in the hives. You know what is the meaning of hive means? The honeybees, they stay in that hives. That is called, the home of the honeybees is called hives. Then they collect all the honey in that hives. Then she went to the honeybees and asked them that, come, let us play. Now today is so bright and sunny day. But the honey, they said that no, today is nice day, a sunny day, but we are not ready to play with you because we don't have any time. Today all the flowers in the garden, they are bloom because there is a good bright day and sunny day. And now when the flowers are bloom everywhere, we have now only the time or chance to take the honey from them. So we are not ready to play with you because we are having much work. We have to fill all the hive with the honey. So again the Mala, she was very angry with that honeybees, and she said, so foolish this all are, they are not ready to, and they want to work always. So after that, then her mama, she told, she was having that she has not completed her work. She came to know she didn't complete her work. Her mama started scolding her that why you have not completed work, because it was the only 10 days were left for her exam and she had not studied. Then she said her mama that more 10 days I am there to study. Then her mama told that no, you have to study now itself. But she said no, there are much time to study, so I will not study now. But afterwards she understood that when the exam day was near, she came to know that she has not studied anything. She had not done the poems, then the assignments, then recitation of poems, then learning of lessons, nothing, no study she has done. So she could not write her papers or she could not know anything, so she was very scared. And what happened? She said that now what I will do? I am in trouble. I can't write now my papers, I can't do my homework, everything is incomplete. Why this has happened? Because she has wasted her time and she want to play and she don't want to study. But she started saying that now I am in trouble. But as soon as she wake up, she thought that it was a dream. Means this all she had seen, that she was talked with ants, then this honeybee and squirrel. It was a dream that she has wasted time. Then she understood. Then she told that to herself that nice, I got this dream because from this dream I have learned that you should not waste time. You have to utilize that time for your studies or the work which is done, which should be done today itself. Don't put your work for the tomorrow, that today I will not do, I want to do tomorrow, otherwise day after tomorrow. If you waste in this way your time, your work will never be completed. Then she got the lesson from this dream and she decided that from today onwards I am going to make one timetable for each and every activities of mine, so that my time will be very properly utilized and I will get success in all my studies and all my work. Understood, students? So you don't have to waste your time. You make a timetable of all your activities, your studies, then your whatever things you like as drawing, then playing. That all should be having a timetable, so you will have always success in your life. See, students, now we are going to see the grammar part of the lesson, value of time. And in this grammar part, there is simple past tense. What is the meaning of simple past tense? Simple past tense. Past means whichever incidents or whichever things are already happened. Suppose if I say I ate an apple yesterday, means I have already ate that apple yesterday. The past things means whichever things have happened last week, last month, yesterday, or few hours before, they all are called as a simple past tense. Now see, did and did not. When in the simple past tense, when we ask any questions, that time also we use did and did not. For did we have to use all the positive answers, and for the did not all the negative answers. Suppose now in your textbook it is there that see in your textbook it is there that is the camel having a long tail. Did the camel have a long tail? Now see this did it is a question used. In the question it is used did the camel have a long tail? Then answer is no, he did not. See did not. When you answer for the negative, that time you use did not. Now then did you complete your work? This also is a question. When you here again did is used, the answer will be yes, I have completed my homework or work. Then did Sana go for her dance class? Here say did Sana, then yes, Sana did go to for the dance class. Here because it is a did is there, so we will not change this verb. So otherwise you always think that yes, Sana went to the dance class, you will say, but when we are using this did question, that time you don't have to change this verb go. So you have to write go itself. This it will not change. So what will be the answer? Yes, did. The answer will be Sana did go for the dance class. Sana did go for the dance class. Understood? So this all is the grammar part you have to use in the did and did not. With the help of this, when it will come in your questions, the answers will be positive or the negative answers. Understood, students?